Grand awakening, my beloveds. I'm asking you today, what is your addiction? Is it fashion? Is it shopping? Is it food? Is it drugs? Is it alcohol? Is it going to the gym? All these things release endorphins where you feel as though you're maintaining your body and doing the best things for you. But each year you lose some of yourself, your health, your wealth, your flexibility. Put thought into your body before you put anything else. Put thought on your body before anything else, because we perish because of the knowledge we do not exercise. You have the knowledge. We are what we eat. We are what we ingest. So when I talk to a client and say, you need to be on a massage bed once a month, you need to find an acupuncturist once a month, you need to find a chiropractor once a month, they're adding up how much that costs. And they say, I can't afford to keep my great health up. So I say, can you afford that bottle of tequila, vodka every weekend? Can you afford that food, that pork, that shellfish? Can you afford that soda? Can you afford that gym membership? You can afford death. So why can't you afford your life? See, it's a different perspective when people actually acknowledge and think of what we're actually doing. When you're in the gym, you're beating your body down. Muscles are in chronic tension because you're always pushing and resisting. Going to sleep is not going, and taking a rest is not going to fill the whole void, because as you create this tension, you create blockages, muscles get tight. They actually mend together because there's electricity in your body, in your blood, in your nervous system. Electricity, as it sparks, it actually damages the muscles and they bind them together. So if you do not have an acupuncturist, if you do not have a massage therapist, if you do not go to the chiropractor, you're subject to the doctors that you go to on a regular basis. And doctors only study one side of medicine. That side of medicine that's going to lead you to surgery. The side of medicine that's going to lead you to pills. The side of medicine that's going to lead you to disability. Therefore, I want you to step outside the box and then study your body and things of what it truly needs. Not just what the textbooks have taught you. That's only one side of medicine. That's one side of health. There's so many ways to live. There's so many truths down here. It's not just one truth. So do not believe in the one truth that's going to take away from your happiness, take away from your family, take away from your health, because by the age of 30, this world wants you disabled living in the culture that we live in. So I want you to think of, what do you eat? What do you shop? What do you ingest? How do you work out? But how do you maintenance yourself? Because most people feel as though that is a bill or something too expensive for me to invest in. So if you think better, if you feel better, you're going to think better. Therefore, your life shall become better. But you can't think better if you're drunk. You can't think to your highest capacity if you eat dirty food. You cannot think to your highest ability if you're always working out and your body is in constant tension. You never know peace until you find it. You never know you felt peace until you find someone that can bring you peace. Do not think that going to a therapist is one side of healing. Every physical ailment, needs a physical healing. So yes, as a therapist, they help you mentally. That is a great thing, but you need physical healing. So I say, find a Reiki master, acupuncturist, a healer, massage therapist, a chiropractor, and make sure you see them once a month. And it's something you can afford. But I'm asking, what is your addiction to where you are overcompensating on something that's killing you, that you can't afford great health? What can you back off on? This is not a place of judgment. No, I don't want you to stop. Whatever you enjoy doing, do it in moderation. Make sure you take care of the rest of yourself, because the things that you ingest in your body, because we're all energy. This is all what we pass down generation to the generation. So are you going to pass down generational curses, generational wealth and health, or in intellect? Is all up to you. But I'm asking you today, do not use the excuse of what I can't afford, because you can afford death. I'm asking you today to choose life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.